Hey, hi, this is Jeffrey Ong from Mr. Pro Printer channel. So today we will continue our topic to HP Latex 700W. Oh, do you see this? Do you see this? What does it mean? HP Latex 700W and 800W is the only printer in the world with white ink, and you can optional to choose whether you want to put in your white print head into the machine to print white color, or you don't want to put it inside and you don't print white. So now the print head is on my hand, but the printer is printing.
Wow!
You see? So you see, the color is still working fine and sharp. And in the meantime, the print head is still on my hand for the white color. So today, the message to bring in this video is to show you how flexible a Latex 700W and 800W can offer to you. You want to print white? Only install white print head. If you don't want to print white, just keep it in the chamber and slot it inside the maintenance space. As simple as that. You will not have to waste any white ink for white print head maintenance. Interesting? Flexible? This is how Latex 700W and 800W offer you a very transparent and flexible platform so that you can enjoy to choose white color printing or non-white color printing as you like. So now I am going to show you the process, how to install the white print head inside, calibrate and start the printing for white color. So now, amazing thing, transform from white print head into the printer, from color to white printing printer. 700W can do it. Let's move on. many people think that white ink is only for transparent sticker, window sticker. White ink not only for transparent, but white ink you can play around with the effect. So this is the backlit film with day and night mode. What the means of the day and night mode? You can see that there is 3-layer printing, color, white, color. So with this function, it allows your backlit mode will not have any density issue. Whether it's open the light or switch off the light, your color quality is remain unchanged. So this is what the white effect can provide to you, a day and night platform. And by HP LATEX 700 and 800W, day and night color, white color is one shot print. So this is why you can see there is a color, white and color in the progress in the same time. So it helps you to faster the printing and minimize the alignment of the printing. For certain technology, for the white color printing, you have to print the white or you have to print the color and pull back, then only you can print the white or print the color. But in LATEX 700W, 800W, color, white color, color, white, black, white color is one shot print. Here you go, you can see the printing. So now you see the printing is done and instant dry, even though it's 3-layer. And the more interesting part is you will see the color for the backlit is not very dark and high density because this is a day and night mode. What the means of the day and night mode means, without switch on the light, the color is very nice for display. Even after switch on the light, the color will still remain unchanged. You will still getting a very good quality, as similar as same as before you switch on the light. So this is what day and night backlit is. So HP LATEX, the white ink print head is very flexible. When you don't want to use the white ink anymore, cool down and take off the print head. So your printer can function as usual without printing white color. This is the only commercial and industrial printer allow you to have the alternative option to choose whether you want to slot in the white ink print head for printing white ink or take it off when you do not need to print white, and directly help you save a lot of maintenance costs, save a lot of wastage, and make your print head life span more longer. And this is what HP LATEX 700W and 800W can provide to you. And now we will show you how to unload the white ink print head. It's just by a finger. please do not only think white ink just for transparent sticker purpose or root text sticker purpose. With the white ink and very helpful, effective white ink, you can print not only white-based printing, but it allows you to have more application and pattern to do something special, to grow your business and help you to perform more effective production. This is how HP 700W and 800W can provide to you. There is more application I would like to share with you. Please stay with me and there will be have more video to show you. See. Hi. Hope you will like my video and please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Pro Printer. So you also can contact our company, and this is the contact, or you can direct contact myself, Jeffrey. This is my contact, or our sales person for our company, Theo and Lai. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.